Did you know that your rising sign can reveal more about your destiny than you think? When it comes to astrology for beginners, most people start by learning their sun signs. However, your rising sign, also known as your ascendant, plays a significant role in shaping your personality and life path. Your rising sign is the zodiac sign that was ascending on the eastern horizon at the exact time and location of your birth, influencing how others see you and how you present yourself to the world. One of the biggest misconceptions about astrology, especially for those exploring astrology for beginners, is that it's just a bunch of nonsense or simply a way to make us feel special and unique. The truth is, astrology has been around for thousands of years and is rooted in some pretty complex and fascinating science. Many people overlook the importance of their rising sign, but as rising signs explained time and again, it's just as crucial as the sun sign. Another misconception is that astrology is solely about predicting the future with fortune telling and crystal balls. In reality, astrology is more about self-discovery, about understanding who you are and why you do the things you do. It's not about forecasting the exact date of your death or precise amount of money you'll make next year. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. I've heard people dismiss astrology as merely a form of entertainment, a fun little hobby that's not taken seriously. But the truth is, astrology has been used for centuries to help guide major life decisions, from choosing a partner to selecting a career path. And when it comes to your rising sign, it's even more important because it's the mask you wear in public, the persona you present to the world. Let's explore how your rising sign influences various aspects of your life. For example, if you're a Leo rising, you're likely to be confident, charismatic, and drawn to the spotlight. You're a natural-born leader with a flair for drama. Conversely, if you're a Virgo rising, you're probably more reserved, analytical, and hardworking. A perfectionist, always striving to improve yourself and your surroundings. When it comes to your relationships, your rising sign can play a huge role in determining compatibility. For instance, if you're a Scorpio rising, you might be intense, passionate, and private, sometimes struggling with trust issues as you gain and seek deeper meaning. On the other hand, if you're a Gemini rising, you're likely to be light, adaptable, communicative, always on the lookout for intellectual stimulation, and unafraid to speak your mind. Did you know that famous people have credited their ascendant signs with guiding their career choices? For example, Oprah Winfrey is a Leo rising, confident, charismatic, dramatic, while Steve Jobs, known for his relentless drive, was a Virgo rising. It's no surprise that many entrepreneurs are Aries risings. With their fearless determination and bold spirit, Aries are natural risk takers and entrepreneurs who thrive in leadership roles. Their passion and drive often set them apart, making them unstoppable forces in the business world. People who have their rising signs explained are more often likely to pursue careers that align with their true passions and values. That's powerful, because when you're doing something you love, and when you know who you truly are, success and fulfillment follow naturally. In a nutshell, your rising sign is a crucial part of who you are and what you bring to the world. It is the mask you wear in public and influences everything from your relationships to your career choices. By exploring your rising sign and truly understanding astrology, you can gain a deeper insight into yourself and the world around you. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you're feeling curious about your rising sign or want to know more, astrology for beginner tips. Let me know in the comments below. What's your ascendant sign, and how do you think it's affected your life? And if you're more interested in more transformative content and astrological insights, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more daily updates. And check out my other videos as well. I look forward to hearing from you.